Water cycle and climate change. Part 1, CER. The water cycle describes how water passes back and forth between Earth and the atmosphere. Water enters the atmosphere by evaporating. Once cooled, it condenses into clouds. Eventually, the water falls back to Earth as precipitation and trickles down into rivers, streams, and oceans. This is called runoff. Water also passes through all living things and through the ground along the way. The water cycle keeps the Earth hydrated. Use the information above to answer questions 1 through 3. Number 1. Which claim is correct? Gravity is responsible for A. Evaporation, B. Evaporation and runoff, C. Transpiration and precipitation, or D. Precipitation and runoff. Number 2. What is the evidence from the information above supports this claim? A. Water enters the atmosphere by evaporating. B. The water falls back to Earth and trickles down. C. The water cycle keeps Earth hydrated. Or D. Once cooled, it condenses into clouds. Number 3. What scientific reasoning supports your evidence? A. Earth's gravitational pull allows water to evaporate. B. Earth's gravitational pull causes water to condense into clouds. C. Earth's gravitational pull forces water droplets to Earth and back to the oceans. Or D. Earth's gravitational pull keeps water in the atmosphere. Part 2, Vocabulary Water Cycle. Use the definitions as the answer choices for questions 4 through 8. 4. Runoff. B. Evaporation. 5. Evaporation. 6. Condensation. 7. Precipitation. Or 8. Infiltration. Letter A. The flow of excess water to lower elevations on Earth. Letter B. The process by which water vapor comes together to form liquid droplets. Letter C. Any form of water falling to the surface of Earth from the atmosphere. Letter D. The process by which water on Earth's surface enters the soil. Letter E. The process by which liquid water becomes water vapor in the atmosphere. Part 3. Literacy. Read the text and answer the questions. Global climate change. The Earth is getting warmer because people are adding heat-trapping gases to the atmosphere, mainly by burning fossil fuels. More than 100 years ago, people around the world started burning large amounts of coal, oil, and natural gas to power their homes, factories, and vehicles. Today, most of the world relies on these fossil fuels for their energy needs. Burning fossil fuels releases carbon dioxide, a heat-trapping gas, into the atmosphere, which is the main reason why the climate is changing. Warmer temperatures are causing other changes around the world: stronger hurricanes, melting glaciers, and a loss of wildlife habitats. Heat-trapping gases are also called greenhouse gases. They exist naturally in the atmosphere, where they help keep the Earth warm enough for plants and animals to live. But people are adding extra greenhouse gases to the atmosphere. These extra gases are causing the Earth to get warmer, setting off all sorts of other changes around the world, on land, in the oceans, and in the atmosphere. And these changes affect people, plants, and animals in many ways. Number 9. According to the passage, what is the leading cause of global climate change? A. Stronger hurricanes. B. Melting glaciers. C. Burning fossil fuels. Or D. Loss of wildlife habitats. Number 10. Why do humans need greenhouse gases to survive? A. Oxygen is a greenhouse gas and humans need oxygen to breathe. B. They help control our weather. C. They keep the Earth warm enough for plants and animals to live. Or D. They protect us from solar radiation. Part 4, Vocabulary Climate Change. Use the definitions as answer choices for questions 11 through 15. Number 11, weather. 12, climate change. 13, greenhouse effect. 14, carbon dioxide. 15, nitrogen. Letter A, the result of atmospheric gases and pollutants trapping heat in the atmosphere. Letter B, the rise in average surface temperatures on Earth. C, the most plentiful gas in the Earth's atmosphere. D, the state of the atmosphere at a given place in time. Or E, one of the gases responsible for the greenhouse effect and a product of cellular respiration.